Hey, Jeff Kelderman coming at you, Kelderman Trucks. Today we're going to go with this awesome 2020 3500 HD Chevrolet. It's a high country edition. Customer, actually an Iowa guy, so he's only a couple hours away. Brought it to us. This thing had, as you know, these new trucks have chrome everywhere. He doesn't want this thing blacked out. I don't want any chrome on it. So, guys tore it apart. Set the headlights off, the eco tint. Got the chrome deleted. Everything's black here. We popped the grill out. We did the mirrors, we did the emblems, the door handles, anything that's chrome came off this truck, and we painted it in-house here. So this is our first Delta Series Chevrolet bumper, and it turned out fantastic. The engineering department really killed it with this one. So it's just like our other bumpers, it's a three-piece design, but this customer wanted everything gloss black. So we painted it. We got the sensors here in the outer wings. We got the sensors here in our mesh. We're running the 20-inch Midnight Series rigid in the front. And we've got our Monster Hooks in here. And then Iowa, unfortunately, we've got to run license plates, so we got a little license plate bracket on it. Checking out this front suspension. This is our new 4 to 6-inch Chevrolet that we're proud to introduce. You can see we got our custom-made A arms. And then we've now for the Chevys, we have recently introduced our Raptor series shocks. The Raptors are cool because they're not off the shelf, same valving as every other shock on the planet. These things are custom tuned for the torsion bar suspension, and the ride on this truck is absolutely fantastic. These are the new Toyo AT3 tires. As the followers know, we use a ton of Toyo tires here at Kelderman Air Suspensions, and this AT3 is a really good looking tire. So on the back of this truck, we have our Kelderman Plus 2. So same thing's a stock height. It's just got a 2-inch riser. It's got 2-inch change in the panhard bar relocation bracket, and it's got 2-inch longer end links. So this matches up perfect with a 4 to 6-inch front. You can see we're on a mechanical system on the rear, so we've got a fixed height. It's going to keep the truck at the same height when you put your trailer on it. And it's also got a dump feature, which will drop it a good 4 inches. Come around the back, you can also see we've got the Raptor shocks that are tuned for the air suspensions, which, as I was saying earlier, the ride is, you can't describe the ride until you ride one of these with air ride and the Raptor shocks that are tuned. It's off the charts on another level. The rear, we use our Alpha series bumper, so we put steps in it because the GM obviously had steps in it from the factory. We've got a cutout here for the rear sensor, and we got our little sensor pockets in it, and then we've also running our Monster Hooks. So again, 3-piece. Customer wanted it completely blacked out, so we did a total color match. Also popped the badges off, got rid of all the chrome, popped the tail lights out, the marker lights, gave them a little smoke, and same thing with the rear brake light. It just tones down that bright red, makes it look, really fit in well.